All right, guys, so here is how I set up my portable air conditioning unit. Okay, so it depends on the window, but I've got one of these really tall windows that open with a spinning type. Okay, so you crank it on the bottom and then it opens up like that. All right, so for this portable air conditioner, they always come with a tube for the dehumidifier, and it collects water, usually in a tank, and then you have to empty it out every couple hours. This takes care of that, so I don't have to do it every hour, okay? This vents out through the window, all right? And I use plexiglass, and you can kind of see it, sections of plexiglass, and all I did was I used 3M sticky tape right here on the corners of the plexiglass, all right? And it's working out really, really well. You can see the plexiglass up there as well. And this GARVEE portable air conditioning unit, guys, is awesome, okay? So all you do is you push it on, it's on low, this thing opens up. How cool is that? It's got digital, 64 degrees Fahrenheit. That's the lowest setting that it goes to. And guys, you don't really need it colder than 64, but the air coming out is about 40 degrees. Okay, so I'm gonna show you. I've got my temperature gun here. Okay, Raytech Mini Temp. It's pretty accurate. Okay, so I'm taking the temperature of my house right now. It's about 75 degrees. Okay, and when I get to the air conditioning unit, now I just turned it on, but guys, it's starting to get cold right now. Okay, so it's 39 degrees. It's definitely cold. 36 degrees is the coldest. And this thing fluctuates up and down so that you get really good air movement, okay? But I also put it on about a foot off the ground. And it's actually like I don't know if it's for plants or whatnot, because I've got my other plant over here. But it's the perfect height so that this tube is higher than where it exits. Okay, so you want this tube to be higher so it drains down the line and out the window like that. Okay, the exhaust vent also goes outside, and guys, when I'm done, this is easy to pull out. Okay, and right now this thing's gonna keep my house super duper cold. 41 degrees, getting colder as we speak. All right, now I've got really high ceilings, like really, really high ceilings. But guys, this thing's beautiful. It looks really sharp. I like the simplicity of how it looks. And it's got really good airflow, okay? Really good airflow. And the temperature, I mean, come on guys, 35 degrees. It's freezing coming out. So this, I'm getting ready for the summer, Pacific Northwest. But if you live elsewhere, yeah, you're gonna love having an air conditioner, okay? And this one will be able to keep my house cool all summer long. And I'll give you guys an update later, but guys, I am loving this GARVEE. It comes with a remote control, which is really cool. So check that out, okay? So even on the remote control, it says 64 degrees, so it matches that. And if you go up, 65, you see how it's climbing? 67, all right? We're gonna leave it at 64. But you've got all the features on the remote, just like you do up there. And honestly, gosh, this thing's blowing out really, really good. Let me give you, here, I'll take this plant. Ooh. All right, so this is on the low setting. Okay, like, that's the low setting, okay? The high setting, actually, no, hold on. That is the high setting. But guys, do you know what kind of a plant this is? It's an avocado plant. So I'm gonna try to grow avocados, I don't know, I doubt I'll be able to do that here in the Pacific Northwest, but I'm sure gonna try. But guys, awesome airflow. We're gonna put on the low setting. Thumbs up, guys.